We'll now explain how to retest after using your SRT learning plan. Once you're ready to retest after using a learning plan and noticing progress, use the SRT user ID and the registration link that Clearport sent you by email, along with the username and password that you created, and log in again on this page. Retake the assessments you want to measure your progress. Remember that you can take each assessment up to 5 times, except for speaking and writing, which you can only take 2 times. This is a great benefit because you don't have to pay again to retest. Each time you retake an assessment, you see your new results report, certificates, and personalized learning plans to measure your improvement. Then you can use the new learning plans to continue improving and then retest again to measure even further improvement. And here are a few last tips for you. Save your user ID, registration URL, link, username, and password in a safe place. You will need to use them again each time you log into SRT. Take several lessons and complete various activities in each personalized learning plan before taking that assessment again. Do so for at least a few weeks before retaking the assessment so that you actually improve. Although improving your skills is not that hard, it takes effort and practice. Each time you retest, print again your results report, certificates, and learning plans, and keep them in a safe place. They can be added to your CV or resume and used as support in applications to come to Canada. Be motivated. By completing SRT and using the personalized learning plan, you have taken a significant step to develop your skills and be ready for success.